Should you trust a smaller bank trying to break into the online high-yield savings space? That's the question a lot of people have been asking about Patriot Bank. In the hunt for the highest interest rates, many have stumbled upon this regional bank that started offering competitive online accounts. But as Redditors often ask, what's the catch? We dove into the conversations on Reddit to find the highs and lows of user experiences with Patriot Bank. The highs: why people are opening accounts. The biggest draw, hands down, is the competitive interest rates. At various times, Patriot Bank has offered rates for its high-yield savings accounts, HYSAs, that rival, or even beat, some of the better-known online-only banks. Reddit users often call them solid rates. It's a classic case of a smaller institution using a high APY to lure in new, nationwide customers. Another common high note is the customer service. Users mention getting a small, personalized staff experience, friendly and responsive, which is a major plus compared to the often impersonal support at megabanks. For some, the fact that there's a local branch they could theoretically drive to offers a bit of peace of mind, even if they're banking entirely online. Finally, the lack of hoops to jump through is appreciated. Users report that their HYSA or money market accounts often have no direct deposit requirements, no minimum transactions, and no minimum balance requirements. It's often described as a plug-and-play savings option. The lows: the trade-offs you'll face. For all the competitive rates, users note some definite trade-offs that come with a smaller bank's move to the digital space. The most frequent complaint centers around dated technology and slow transfers. The website and app can feel old school, a stark contrast to the slick interfaces of fintech competitors. Transfers, especially when moving large amounts, can be noticeably slower than at bigger banks, sometimes taking a few days to settle. External account linking is also a significant pain point. Users have struggled to link Patriot Bank with popular external financial apps or even other banks, often finding that Patriot Bank isn't listed or requires a specific, less common name like Patriot National Bank to work. Inbound transfer limits, money pulled from Patriot, can also be quite low for some users, making it cumbersome to access larger savings quickly. Finally, the application process itself can be a bit slow, with some users reporting waiting up to 2 weeks to get a new account fully opened, particularly when the bank's rates are running hot and they get flooded with applications. The verdict: who Patriot Bank is for. The general consensus on Reddit is that Patriot Bank is a legitimate, FDIC-insured option, but it's best for a specific type of user. If your primary goal is to yield chase, that is, chasing the absolute highest interest rate for your savings, and you don't mind navigating a clunky website or dealing with occasional slow transfers, Patriot Bank could be a great fit. It works well as a dedicated, long-term savings bucket where the money doesn't need constant, instant access. However, if you prioritize user interface, lightning-fast transfers, or seamless integration with other financial apps, you might find the experience frustrating. It's a trade-off: high rate, low tech. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.